All right, perfect. Okay, let's go ahead and unbox the Echo Dot 4th generation here. Now, there's 3 versions of this. We have this one right here. We have the one that actually has a clock attached to it, and I decided not to get that one. And then, of course, a kid's version of this where it comes with fun little prints, little animals and things like that. On the back, we have the little tear, easy tear, and I've been tearing open so much stuff that my thumb hurts, so gotta let it heal a little bit. So, and then we go ahead and pop that open just like so. Inside, it's a baseball. So as you can see, it's about the size, not a baseball, maybe more of a softball size. I'm thinking more of a softball size right there. And I don't have a softball around. So, and of course, if you went half like that, that would be the Dot 3rd generation. It's fabric all around. Buttons are easily, you can see those buttons right from there. We have the mute, unmute button, the plus and the minus. One thing I'd love to see these dots do is if I mute it, I should be able to still hit this button instead of using the magic word. So instead of saying LA, order cream corn, if I muted this, if I press this button, it should still activate LA. So I can say order cream corn without having to take it out. So hopefully if that doesn't happen here, maybe in a future release. And of course, with these things, there's a whole bunch of bases, charging bases and things like that you can get for the Dot Echo 4. And take this off before we finish unboxing. I just want to show you some of the cool stuff in here. Let's zoom in a little bit. So we have two plugs in the back. This, of course, is the power right here. And this is where you can hook it up to a speaker, a little 3.5mm jack, if you decide you don't want to use the speaker in here. Now the speaker, it is a 1.6-inch front firing speaker. So if this is the front, then the speaker is right here, 1.6 inches, so a little bit more than a quarter. But once again, you have that 3.5mm line out if you decide you want to hook it up to your sound bar or anything like that. Other than that, I don't see any type of plugs or anything. There are, like I said, they have charging bases for these things that I'm assuming they'll just plug in the back. This is the Twilight Blue, so go ahead and finish unboxing this thing. We got a little cardboard here, but we definitely have a couple manuals. Hola, the Echo Dot. Hello, Echo Dot. Of course, it'll give you all the instruction on there. Things to try with your Echo Dot. Don't talk to Sam Jackson while you're online, so I'm just going to say that straight up right now. Important information for the Echo Dot with the contents and everything like that. All right, and in here, it looks like we have the power plug, power wart, as some people say. I'm just going to get the box out of the way, and as always, we will take the box and boom, like that. Boom, shakalaka, just like that. All right. Once this power's on, we got a little blue light right there. Sweet. That's starting to activate. And notice how the buttons kind of are on the other side. Should be where the speaker is right here. So I'm going to point it this way towards the microphone so you can hear it as we go. There we go.
Hello.
Hello.
Your device is ready for setup. Just follow the instructions in your Alexa app. Hola, vamos a empezar. Instala la app de
Okay. It's doing different languages. So I brought up the app, and so it's saying, I think it's finding it. Yep, there we go. Your Echo Dot is online. And yeah, I'm going to warn you right now, we're going to have, if you need to mute your LAs, go ahead and do so in 3, 2, 1. Tell me a joke.
I donated to some crows on Kickstarter because I like the sound of their caws. Caw, caw.
There you go. All right, thanks a lot for watching. You guys geek out. Take care. You've been watching another Geek Tech Talk Live. I'm Jeffrey Powers.